In this lesson, you will learn the types of variables that are available in Java and when to use what. You can classify the variables as instance variable, local variable, and static variable. We'll understand them in detail. Here is the zoo class, which instantiates two lions using the lion class. Here, age is an instance variable as it is inside the class and outside all of the methods, and total lions is a static variable because a static keyword is added to the variable declaration. Now let's look into the zoo class. At line number 3, one lion object is instantiated, which allocates enough memory to hold all the instance variable values. On line number 4, another lion object is instantiated, which also keeps a separate copy of age. Every lion instance should have its own copy of age because each lion is different. Notice that the total lion variable is having only one copy in memory as it is a static variable, and the copy is updated whenever a lion instance is created at line number 22. Use instance variables when every instance should have a separate copy to hold the instance values like the name, age, customer ID, etc., which all belong to every individual customer. Use static variables when one copy of the variable is sufficient to represent the value for all instances, like for example, total count of all instances created or the interest rate used for calculating interest across multiple accounts, etc. Local variables are declared inside a code block, like a method block or a constructor block or any other block of code, like an if statement, loops, switch statement, etc. Local variables are in memory only for the duration of the method execution. As soon as the program of execution finishes the method, local variables are released for garbage collection. The two lion objects created in the main method are also local variables, and they're also released for garbage collection as soon as the program completes the main method. So, what is garbage collection? Well, garbage collection, GC for short, is a separate Java program which helps in automatic memory management by attempting to reclaim garbage or memory that is occupied by objects that are no longer in use by the program. Local variables are released to garbage collection as soon as the method or the code block to which it belongs to completes its execution. Instance variables are released to garbage collection as soon as the object to which it belongs to is released for garbage collection. Next, we'll understand the variable scope. That is, once a variable is declared, where all can you use that? Instance and static variables can be accessed by all the code blocks, which includes all the methods and constructors in the class. Even though it's a good practice to declare all the instance and static variables on the top after the class declaration, but your code still works if you declare an instance or static variable in the bottom, or for that matter, anywhere else inside the class, and still all the methods can access them. But a local variable can be accessed only by the statements after the line where the local variable is declared, and only inside the method where it is declared. So the other code blocks like other methods and constructors cannot access local variables which do not belong to them.